In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear bumper impact absorber on this Nissan Rogue. This is going to be located behind the rear bumper cover. Let's get into it. Take these bolts out. Use a 10mm socket. We're going to take these push pins out. Just use a trim tool or some push pin pliers. Pop those out. And on the other side. Those out. This vehicle has mud flaps, so we're going to take the bolts out here. Use a 10mm socket. Take those out. Now we're going to take the mud flaps off. You're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. Just to make it a little easier, I'm just going to use a screwdriver bit, a Phillips head screwdriver bit, and a ratchet. Take these screws out. And take the top one out too. Now I'm going to remove this bolt, use a T20 socket. Take this one out. Now using a trim tool, just get underneath here. And there's going to be some push pins. You just want to pop those out. Just pop this back. We're not going to take this off completely, just out of the way, just like that. Now just raise this trim up. Use a 10mm socket. Take this bolt out. You can grab the panel right here. Just want to give it a little tug. Pull it out. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Grab the bumper cover and slide it off. Using a 16mm socket, we're going to take these nuts out. Take those out. Same on the other side. And grab the absorber, and it comes right off. Slide this over the studs. Make sure that's centered. Take the nuts. Get all the nuts started. Now tighten these down. I'm going to torque these nuts to 40 foot-pounds. take the cover, get this lined up. Get it lined up on both sides. Push it in place. Now just push the bumper into the clips. Then we'll take the screw. Get the screw started right there. Snug that down. Take this trim piece. Lock it in place. Now take this screw. Snug that down. Take the mud flap, get that lined up. Put these screws in. And we'll tighten these down. Tighten those down. Do the same on the other side. Now I'll put these screws in. Snug those down. And the other side. Now I'm going to put these push clips in. Lock them down. And lock these all down. I'm going to take these screws, snug those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.